How to transfer from OKX to MetaMask. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can transfer from OKX to MetaMask, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your OKX account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to your home page automatically. Now, the same way you transfer coins, the same way you transfer USDT from OKX to other wallet, is the same way you transfer from OKX to MetaMask. So once you're on your MetaMask, you're on your OKX account, the next thing to do is to move to the top left corner of the screen and click on the dots that you can see there. After clicking on it, you'll be brought to your home page automatically. So on this page, you'll see your email, you see profile, you see other things as well. Now, the first thing you should do, if you've not done it already, is to do your identity verification. Okay, so it's your identity verification that will allow you to carry out processes such as this. So if you've not done it, just click on the get verified option that you can see here, and then you'll be redirected to another page. Follow the verification process, and then you'll be good to go. So after following the verification process, you can now withdraw, transfer, or do any other thing that you intend doing on OKX. So now, for example, if you verified your account, the next thing to do is to go ahead and click on withdraw. After clicking on withdraw, you'll be taken to the withdrawal page. On this page, you'll be asked to select your withdrawal option. Ensure you select it, and then you'll be asked to select the assets that you want to withdraw. Let's say, for example, you are trying to withdraw USDT. Select it, and then opt for the transfer option. Now it's not internal, it is external, since you are trying to transfer coins to MetaMask, and then enter the recipient wallet address, all right, which is your MetaMask wallet address. Enter it into the slated box available. Specify the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to send. Submit the transaction. Monitor the withdrawal history icon to track the status of your transfer, and you are good to go. So this is how it works, okay? This is how you can transfer from OKX to MetaMask. So kindly follow the steps I've listed out, and you are good to go. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.